Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make a simple, quite aromatic chicken curry. So if you have like some chicken in the fridge and you want to make like a quick curry, try this one. So we start with 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I use coconut oil because the place where I come from we use coconut oil a lot, but you can use any vegetable oil. 1 large onion chopped. So we are going to make a paste for that. 1 thumb-size piece of ginger, 6 to 7 green chilies, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 teaspoon garam masala. Since I did not have garam masala, I've added cardamom, cinnamon, and cloves directly into the mix. Grind it into a fine paste and add it to the onion mix. Saute the onions and the paste for a good 5 to 6 minutes until that raw smell vanishes. Add the chicken now. I've used chicken thigh and it's boneless as well, but if it is on the bone, it would be much tastier. Mix it all really well. Add 2 teaspoon coriander powder and half a teaspoon turmeric powder. So this chicken curry, I haven't added any garlic or chili powder. So it's predominantly a ginger based, black pepper based chicken curry. So mix it all really well for a good 5 minutes because we want that, all that masalas to be mixed thoroughly in the chicken. Now cover with a lid and cook on low flame for 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, so after half an hour, you can see that the chicken is all cooked and oil has come to the top. A good taste. The curry is good now, but I'm going to add like a secret ingredient. You can add like 1 cup almond milk or coconut milk, whatever you like. Will make the curry sauce thicker and gives it a good earthy flavor as well. Keep it on a low flame for another 3 to 4 minutes and then the curry is done. Some fresh curry leaves. curry goes really well with some plain basmati rice or appam or chapati. If you like more of my recipes, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and let me know your feedback and comments. Thank you.